Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are making project number 2 and number 3 in the Celebrating in Color May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So for the first card, we need our card base, which is very, very beautiful. And then we need our banner punch out, and we need the happy die cut, and we need a small die cut, and we are going to put the You Make Me on it so that we can add it to the card. So we're going to do this. You Make Me. Let's just make sure that we are well inked up on that. And then we're going to drop it down. I apologize if I get my hair in the frame. There we go. Let's put that off to the side. And we are going to stick this together. Now, it says that we use sticky strip on the back of this, so, or tear and tape. Sorry, I call it both the same. I think this is actually tear tape. It's not the sticky strip. I believe the original sticky strip had red covering on it rather than the white paper, and you did need scissors for that one. Okay, so we need to peel this back. Just peel our backing paper off. Oh, it's being silly. I've got it and it just won't play. There we go. And I was a little over on the edges, so I'm just going to just pull those back in. Okay. There we go. And we can just fold those in. And we need to line this up right with the top, evenly across, like that. There we go. And now on the back of the happy, we need to put lots of dimensionals. And they suggest cutting them in half, cutting one in half so that you can put it on the small area. So I'm just going to take some scissors and snip that one. And so we need a half. I'll just put a full one there. I need a half a one up here like that. Maybe I'll do that on the red. It might be easier for you to see what I'm doing. And then the other half piece goes down here like that. And then we just keep putting the dimensionals all over the back like that, and like that, and like that. And wow, they just completely loading up the dimensionals. There we go. And that's all the dimensionals. Oh, no, sorry. One more right up there like that. Okay, so now let's just put this one down. So just bear with me while I peel the backs off all of these pieces. These mini dimensionals are excellent. They fit so well with so many different areas. Okay, and we're just going to keep peeling those off. This paper pumpkin kit, I'm so thrilled with it. It is just beautiful. The images and the card bases that they've given us to work with are absolutely fantastic. Okay, so this gets placed down straight like this and like that. I got that straight. It's a little bit crooked, so let's do that. There we go. So it's on like that. And then we take our little piece that we've stamped on and we put a dimensional on each side of it, like that, and like that. I've got dimensional backs all over the place. Okay, so let's do this one. And so You Make Me Happy. So we just put this up here, and I'm going to hold it up so I can make sure I'm straight. And I am. So there we go. And we need to take our matte dots, and we put one of the parakeet party ones up here like this. And we put a sweet sorbet one like that. And then we take, I believe it's a starry sky, and we put it offset just like that. So there we go. There's that first card made. Now let's go ahead and make the second one. So we need a blank card base. We need this front, and it's got this circle punched out. Can you just tell there's an alternate card coming with that? And then we need this. So what it's telling us to do is put tear tape along the top and the bottom of this card front. Nope, tearing extra pieces off, so I'm just going to put that like that. And we are going to put that at the bottom like that. And we're going to peel these off. Like that. And then we are going to line this up and drop it down. And then we need to use the Stampin' Spot and the Just For. And we're going to ink this up really, really well. Good coverage. Okay, and then we're going to stamp this right down like that. So Just For You. And then we'll put dimensionals on the back of this piece too. Just 3, so we're not going crazy with them here on this piece. And we peel them off. These are so cute and so simple and fast to make. And then we just center this in the middle of that cutout like that. And we put some matte dots on. We're going to put the Sweet Sorbet one there, Parakeet Party one there, and one of the Starry Sky ones up here. So that is project number 2 and number 3 from the Celebrating in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit for May 2022. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for projects 4 and 5.